If this is how you normally draw the sun, I'm going to show you a way that you can make them look a lot more interesting. Start off by lightly sketching a medium-sized circle with a pencil. Then going around and make a bigger circle. And then another one even bigger around that. Then outline the circle in the center with a pen. Make about 8 tick marks that are evenly spaced from each other going around the circle. On each one, make 2 little squiggly lines that taper into each other. Make sure that they're the same length by using the first circle as a guideline. And then on both sides of all of them, make these tiny flame shapes. Leave a gap in the middle, and inside of the gap, make an even longer flame that ends around the outer circle. Do that inside all of the gaps. And then you can add shading at the base of the ones that you just made. I'm using cross-hatching for mine. Instead of the small flames, I'm adding little tiny flame shapes with a thin pen. And the medium-sized flames, I'm adding these squiggly lines. And then you can use the guideline circle to make these little dots going all around. You can make them on top of the little flames. Then on top of the medium flames, you can also add them going around the outer circle. To make the circle look less harsh, I'm adding stippling. You can have fun and do whatever you want with your version.